Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I will continue the chapter integer. So, student, in this video I will cover the topic subtraction of integer. So, ready? Subtraction of integer will remain the reverse of the addition of integer. Means, if we add two integers, the result is an integer, but in subtraction, if we subtract two integer, result is also an integer, but subtraction is reverse of the addition. Look here, by the change the prefix of the second integer, this will remain c. Look here, a minus b is equal to c, or a plus in bracket minus b is equal to c. If you solve this one, you get a minus b. So this student, this is the process of subtraction of integer. So in this video I will also explain integer is not varies commutative associative property of integer except closure. So let us start with the example and exercise. So first, question number 1, subtract 16 from minus 22. This is the part number 1. So means you note down the second integer first, that is after from minus 22, in bracket put the subtract sign, that is minus, and the first integer at last, this is 16. Now the process is minus 22 minus 16, both are negative integer, they will add with the same sign. The 38 will be the answer. Now the second part is subtract minus 31 from minus 67. With the same process, you can note down the first minus 67, put the subtraction sign, and the minus 31. Subtract first integer from the second. So you get minus 67, reverse the sign, that is minus minus plus 31. If the sign are opposite, we will subtract smaller from larger and put the sign of greater number. Minus 7 minus 1 6, and 6 minus 3, that is 3. Minus 36 will be the answer of this question. Now third part, subtract minus 15 from 40. With the same process, first you note down 40, put the subtraction sign, and minus 50. Open bracket, 40 minus minus plus 15. If the like integers are there, we add them and put the same sign. Plus 55 will the answer. So student, I hope you will understand the subtraction of integer. Now we have to move on next question. You will do the remaining part like this. So student, the second question is, the sum of two integers is minus 17. If one of them is minus 21, find the other. So look here, the solution. Let the other integer be x. According to question, the sum of two integer, the sum of two integer, the sum of two integer is minus 17. The sum of two integer is minus 17. If one of them, so either put minus 21 here or here. Minus 21 be the first one of them and the other one be x. The sum will remain minus 17. Minus 21 plus x is equal to minus 17, and find the other integer, that is minus 17. Transposition of minus 21 from left hand side to right hand side with this change its sign. This is positive 21. Now look here, there will be opposite integer, then subtraction will be proceed, and 21 minus 17, that is 4, and sign of greater number. Hence the other integer is plus 4. So student, I hope you will understand this part of integer. How will you solve the subtraction of two or more integer? You will practice a lot, and if you will face difficulties, we will discuss in our live classes as well. So now the one question for you is, (11 minus 3 will equal to minus 3 minus 11? Both sides be equal. Check here. 11 minus plus 3 and minus 3 and minus 11. So here is a positive 14 and here is the minus 14. So both sides are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence commutative property is not vary under subtraction. Therefore A minus B is not equal to B minus A.